If you're struggling to start a profitable e-commerce business in 2025, you have to watch this video to the end. I'm going to review a 10 steps strategy I would follow if I were to start a profitable e-commerce business afresh in 2025. I've been in the e-commerce space for over 7 years. I've been importing from China and I've been selling them online, and I want to show you exactly how to go about it in 2025. By the way, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith Amole. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites to sell their products online. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing, and web design. If this is what you like, consider subscribing to my channel. And let's get right into it. I'm going to show you the steps to build a profitable e-commerce business in 2025. So the first thing we have to look at is, what is e-commerce business? E-commerce business is simply the buying and selling of products or goods and services on the internet. You can buy a shoe and sell them using Facebook, Instagram, Google, and any platform you feel like online. These are online platforms where you can meet people, promote your business, they come in contact with you, they pay you, and you deliver the items to them. So I've done a business like that where I import from China and sell them using Facebook and Instagram alone. But the first thing you have to do is what I'm about to review to you. Now we have known what an e-commerce business is, so I'm going to show you second thing you have to do. So the second thing you have to do here is to pick an e-commerce model. There are so many e-commerce models that you can decide to go into. We have affiliate marketing, we have mini importation, we have drop shipping, we have a personal e-commerce business where you simply buy your shoes, keep inventory, you sell online. It's just your products. Or let's say you produce products by yourself. Let's say you produce something like liquid soaps and you want to sell them by yourself, or you produce handmade crafts, you produce handmade bags and you want to sell them as a brand owner. You can actually start that business however you want it. These are e-commerce models you have to pick. As soon as you pick any of them, you can sell them successfully using the internet space. Number 3 thing I would do if I were to start a profitable e-commerce business in 2025 is to pick a problematic niche. And what is a niche? A niche is simply a category of people who have a problem. You can say women who are trying to lose weight. You can say women who have tummy, big tummy, they want to have flat tummy. This is particularly a niche because this is the niche of women who have tummy issue. They either want to lose weight or they want to flatten their tummy. You can say women above 40 who want to look younger. They are looking for anti-aging products. You can say men with prostate cancers. You have a cancer drug for them. You can say children between the age of this and that. These are categories of people who have a specific problem that you want to solve. So you have to pick a particular niche. Who are those people you want to address their problems? They are your target audience. Those people in that category, they are your niche. All right. So you have to pick them and then define the problem they have and then the solution you're bringing to the table. What are you solving for them? Are you providing a fitness tracker they can use to work out? Some people want to lose weight but they don't want to engage in exercises. Do you have a product that can help them? Let me say, for women, there are women who want a flat tummy but they don't want to be placed on diet. They don't want physical exercise, so they don't want stress. What can you do for them? You can get a tummy shaper that can help them hold their tummy. These are products that are solving problems for people in that category. You can actually get a tummy shaper as a product and is solving the problem of flattening their tummy, and the people you are targeting are people who are still giving birth. Let's say young moms who are still giving birth, who have that tummy, or those who have finished giving birth. So you have to pick a niche. As soon as you pick a niche, the next thing you have to do, which is the 4th one, is to pick a hot selling product. Just like I earlier said, you have a niche already, then you have people in that niche who have that problem, then you're picking an in-demand product. What is an in-demand product? It's simply a product that they are willing to spend money on, product they are willing to buy. these are hot selling product. It is hot selling because everybody wants to buy it. Majority of the people that have that issue, they want to spend money on it, they want to buy it. So that is why it is in demand. When you get such a product, you are going to sell. So the fifth thing I would do if I were to start all over again is to conduct a market research to validate the demand for that product. It's not enough to say I've picked a tummy shaper I want to sell, because there are women that want to flatten their tummy. So how about if there are more women who want it? So you want to search and shake if there are demands for it, and there are so many platforms you are going to use. In my next video, I will share with you the exact platforms where you can find demands for your product, the platforms you can use to know if a particular product is in demand. You can use something like Google Trends to validate an idea, to know if people are searching for it. You simply go to Google Trends and search something like tummy shaper. You monitor the trend. Is the trend always rising? If it is rising, that means people need it. You can also use platforms like Amazon to shake what people are currently buying, best-selling products. People are currently buying it. If people are currently buying it, steadily buying it, it simply means that that product is in demand and it will sell. So as soon as you validate your idea, then you have to know your target audience. That is the sixth one. You have to know your target audience. Your target audience is simply the people who need that product, people who are likely going to buy that product. When you pick tummy shaper, who is likely to buy tummy shaper? Men do not wear tummy shaper. So if you pick men, it simply means you have failed. Children do not wear tummy shapers. Pick them as your target audience, you have already failed. So you pick a problem, you pick the product that can solve it, you also pick the people that need it. That is the target audience. I don't know if this makes sense, but that's how this thing works. So even people make mistakes of picking the good product, but they pick the wrong audience. At the end of the day, they will complain that they are not making sales, they are not getting the desired sales. It simply means you are targeting the wrong people. If you pick tummy shaper, you're picking women, not just women. There are categories of women. There are women below 30s, there are women below 20s. Those ones, they don't need tummy shaper because they don't have tummy. You want to pick women who have given birth, because they are the ones that always want to flatten their tummy because of after birth effect. So that's what you want to do. Number 7 is to set your pricing. So it's not enough to have a good product. If you set below standard, you're not going to make as much money you would want to make. So you want to check how much other people are selling the product in the market. You have to also calculate your product cost, add your profit margin. So if you want to do 50% profit, you can actually get the cost of your product and apply 50% profit on it, and that is the profit you are making on each of the products you are selling. So as soon as you set your pricing, what is the next thing you have to do? You start promoting your products. You have to create social media presence. I always advise people to start with Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. All right, these are platforms where people hang out and they shop a lot. So people in these platforms can easily buy your products. And mind you that the social media presence you choose can either make or mar your sales. You don't want to take a physical product to something like LinkedIn, where you have people selling their professional services. So you want to stick with the platforms that can easily help you get buyers, where your target audience hang out. The ninth thing you want to do is to set up your online store. So I always advise beginners, don't just rush and build your website. You can build your website much more later, but make sure you automate your sales with an online store as soon as you to upgrade. All right, you're ready to scale. When you start making sales like 10 to 20 sales a day, 100 sales a day, consider getting an online store. You can use Shopify, you can use WordPress and WooCommerce to build your store. As soon as that is done, the next thing you have to do is to generate traffic to your store. You want to actually bring people to your store to buy whatever you are selling, and that brings us to the last part of it, which is generate traffic to your store, and you make a lot of sales. There are so many marketing strategies you can use to sell your product. You can use content creation to sell on your website. You can use blog and SEO to sell on your website. You can do a whole lot of things. You can run Facebook ads, Google ads to promote your product, and you begin to make sales on the internet. I don't know if you got value from this particular video, but if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you share this video. If there's any question you have, please drop the question in the comment section of this video and I will attend to it. If you want me to make videos on where to find hot selling products, I will do that. Just let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a video on how to find hot selling products online. I will do a video on that, and in my next video I will share with you 5 e-commerce models you can pick from. See you in my next video.